Alright, so in our last video we found out that after compounding yearly for 5 years, our amount was about $3,592.99. Then we did our monthly formula. So up here we have our monthly formula. We have to divide the rate by 12 and then multiply the exponent time by 12. And after monthly, our amount was $3,624.88. We then did weekly, 52 times a year. So we divide our rate by 52 and we multiply our exponent of time by 52. So weekly, we come out to $3,627.21. So you can see we actually had a pretty big jump from here to here in more money. And all we're doing is compounding more often. The principal that we invest is the same every single time. And then we did it a little bit more often, so instead of monthly, we did weekly a year. And you can see the value went up. And then we did daily, 365 times a year, and we got the amount of $3,627.81. So we got a few extra cents out of it from here to here. So you can see the more often that interest is compounded, the better it is. In the long run, you get more money. So we actually have something that's better than daily. We have something that's better than minutely, better than secondly, and it's something called compounding interest continuously. So you can see here, continuously compounded interest means that your principal is constantly earning interest, and the interest keeps earning on the interest earned. Now, to find out the total amount, we use a new formula. It's a little bit different than the previous ones. It's A equals PE to the RT. We call it PERT, kind of like you can see over here I have the shampoo PERT. But it is PE to the exponent of RT, not P times E times R times T, so be careful of that. So I'm going to go back to the example we just did, and I'm going to use PERT. So far, our best money, the best money amount we've had is daily. So I'm going to erase these ones back here, and I'm going to use our PERT formula. So amount is equal to the principal times E to the rate times time. So our principal was $2,641 times E, the number E, it's on your calculator, to the rate, which as a decimal is 0.0635, and we know that time is 5 years. That is our amount, the final amount. And that comes to $3,627.91, which you can see is 10 whole cents more than the previous one. But larger dollar amounts over longer amounts of time, that can really add up. And this is kind of our best case scenario, is continuously. So I'm going to go back to this slide here. Let's do one more example, example number 8. So the formula we use, and the only way we'll know to use this formula is this word right here. That's all they're going to say. You have to know that if they say the word continuously, that means to use the formula PE to the RT. So in this case, in example 8, the amount is the principal, $600, times E to the rate, which is 12%. And the way we turn a percent into a decimal is you move the decimal 2 spots to the left. So that would be 0.12. So 0.12 is the rate, and then time is 8 years. Now you can just type this whole thing into your calculator. 600 times E caret 0.12 times 8, and that gives us a final amount of $1,567.02.